Well, Nissan and Datsun fans, we got a Maxima drift car here. Didn't know this was a thing, but I did find one Speed Hunters article. I'm not really sure if that's considered a drift car, but there's an engine swap going on in there. And then I found this one customized photo here, and that's it. I guess not many people are taking this and making them look like those. But it's interesting that Hot Wheels chose this. Maybe they had a little fun adding like a wide body kit and all that stuff. It says here 47 of 250, so is this a 2023 release? Maybe it is. Okay. No real reason to talk about the real car because this is, who knows what this thing is supposed to be. It's definitely customized. It has a wide body kit, as you can see, and it's got these 3-spoke like Advan kind of wheels. And the printing is pretty, lively. Stars, stripes, Japanese text, the Nissan there. We got the open side window, which is pretty cool. A chrome interior. Whoa, I did not even see this through the packaging. I did not expect that. That's quite interesting. That's pretty cool though, I guess. A really chromed out engine. So this might be one model that you might want to like open up and add paint to that to have a really realistic looking engine, because it's molded pretty nice. Very neat. Okay, well, we got the chrome bumper carrying across from that inside, I'm guessing. And then we have a bunch of recesses here so you can add paint pretty easily to those details. A little side marker there. The chin spoiler is sticking out quite a bit like a Liberty Walk would. And even the front is a subtle over fendering there. We have smoked plastic for the rear. Well, I guess it's all smoked, but it's even a sunroof, which helps see the details of the inside. The steering wheel is pretty good. It's actually a relatively modern looking steering wheel. It's not just a flat pizza pan. And then the, well, you got some molded dots and stuff like that, and the shifter there. It's just kind of hard to see because it's chromed. So then they added the stripes here to the top of the roof as well. It's like it looks like it's like a clear red, red clear coat, and the metallic we're seeing is actually the zinc underneath. So it's an interesting paint job. And then the back end is pretty plain, but I think it can paint those lights pretty easily. And no license plate, of course. We have a bit of a diffuser here on the bottom, and then a plastic base as expected. And there, that's it. So quite an interesting one. This was quite a surprise, actually. It's pretty interesting. It also has these mirrors that's pretty nice too, little fender mirrors. Well, let's attempt to do the wheelbase check here. The issue is, here it says on Wikipedia, the first generation Maxima Wagon G910 body code. It does list there's a station wagon, but there's only one wheelbase listed, so I'm not sure if they're the same wheelbases or not. But one would have to assume that they are. So 2625. And then we'll divide that number by this wheelbase here. I would say that's 45. So divide by 158 scale. So it's quite large, assuming that this is correct. We don't know. So anyways, let's continue on. Well, let's see what I do here. And so here we are with wheels of my own design. I was just going for something angular, really. So it's just about to swept Y's, and then I have some triangular extrusions going on top of it. And there is some air passing between the spokes, but yeah, that's it. And looking at the graphics, it's kind of a busy thing, and so these are kind of like busy wheels. They actually kind of look a little bit like the kanji letters there. Other than that, just some minor paint details, nothing special. So, okay, so that's it for today. Let's look at a few other wagons. Alright, so I did this, Audi RS2 I think it was, a while ago. Yeah, it is an RS2. And that has like Porsche Carrera Cup wheels on it. This old Chevy Nova, I have some hubcaps put into the original wheels. Okay. I think the same thing here. I think I just printed out hubcaps to put into this Volvo wagon. What wagon is this? The Amazon Estate P220. Alright. It's nice that Hot Wheels tells you what the vehicle is. I don't know why other brands choose to ignore that fact. It's really strange. 850 Estate, a nice cool blocky one. Those are my own wheel designs as well. So yeah, a bunch of Hot Wheels wagons, and although I'm gonna guess many of them or all of them aren't to scale, they all still look like they could live in the same universe, so seems alright. Now as to why Mattel made a drift wagon out of a Maxima, I don't know. I can't find any images of it. All I could find is this cool lowered one now, other than the original images at the beginning of this video. Still pretty neat though. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you the next time around. Bye.